Breakout rooms give you the option to have smaller meetings within a larger meeting in Microsoft Teams. Only meeting organizers can create breakout rooms, and you need to be using the Teams desktop app. To create a breakout room, first start your Teams meeting. Click the Breakout Rooms icon. Choose the number of breakout rooms you'd like with a maximum of 50. You can choose how to assign people to a breakout room. Microsoft Teams can choose automatically, or you can assign people manually. The manual option opens a list of participant names. Check the box next to their name, and then click the drop-down under the room column to select the room. When you're finished assigning, click Assign. They'll now appear in the breakout room. You can also move people between different breakout rooms during the meeting. Under the breakout room settings, you can assign presenters to manage rooms, set a time limit to choose how long the breakout rooms will remain open, set whether participants are moved automatically to rooms, allow people to return to the main meeting when they wish. To start using the breakout rooms, click Open to move participants into the rooms. When you want all participants back in the main room, click Close. As the meeting organizer, you can join any of the breakout rooms. Find the room you wish to join, click the three dots, and then click Join Room. Here, you can also open, rename, close, or even delete a room. To add extra breakout rooms, click on the plus icon. This automatically adds another breakout room. To delete all breakout rooms, click the trash icon. To delete all rooms at once and start again, click the Recreate icon. To make announcements to all breakout rooms, click the Announcement icon. Enter what you want to share and click Send. Participants in the breakout rooms will all receive a notification. For more Microsoft 365 tips and tricks, subscribe to our channel and check out our Syskit blog.